The number one best way to unclog blocked arteries. Have you ever wondered what the most effective scientifically proven method is to unclog blocked arteries? What if I told you there is a natural approach that's been shown to not only reduce the buildup of plaque, but in some cases actually reverse it? In this video, we'll be diving into the research-backed strategies that can help you clear out your arteries and keep them that way. Say goodbye to medications and risky procedures, because today we're revealing the power of nature in preventing and treating clogged arteries. So stay tuned until the end to discover the top tips from the world's leading experts. You won't want to miss this. Let me ask you a question. Did you know that clogged arteries can silently lead to life-threatening conditions like heart attacks and strokes? Arterial plaque buildup, also known as atherosclerosis, can restrict blood flow and increase your risk of cardiovascular disease. But the good news is, there are simple steps you can take to improve your artery health naturally. In this video, we will discuss the best way to unclog blocked arteries according to scientific studies and medical professionals. We'll cover everything from the causes of clogged arteries to the top tips for keeping them clean. So if you're ready to take control of your health and learn how to unclog those arteries, then stick around. But before we dive into the details, let's first understand the basics. What exactly are clogged arteries, and why should you care? Well, clogged arteries occur when the inner lining of your arteries becomes damaged, triggering a response from your immune system. This response involves cholesterol and other substances in your blood, which build up and form plaque that narrows your arteries. Over time, this narrowing can significantly reduce blood flow to your heart and brain, increasing your risk of heart attack, stroke, and peripheral artery disease, PAD. So now that we've established the importance of keeping our arteries clear, it's time to reveal the top tip for doing just that. Drumroll, please. The number? One best way to unclog blocked arteries is to make comprehensive lifestyle changes. That's right. By making changes to your diet, exercise habits, stress management techniques, smoking and alcohol consumption, and weight, you can significantly reduce the risk of clogged arteries and even reverse existing blockages. Now, I know this may sound like a lot of work, but the benefits to your overall health and well-being are simply too great to ignore. And don't worry, we're here to help you every step of the way. Now you might be wondering, is there any evidence to support this claim? Absolutely. In fact, there have been numerous studies that show just how effective lifestyle changes can be in reversing plaque buildup and reducing the risk of heart disease. For example, a study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology showed that participants who made changes to their diet and lifestyle as part of the Ornish diet saw an average of 11% regression in coronary artery disease over the course of 5 years. Another study published in the British Medical Journal, Interheart Study, found that people who made the most changes to their lifestyles, including diet, physical activity, smoking, and alcohol consumption, had a 35% lower risk of developing a heart attack or dying from heart-related causes. These studies, and many others like them, demonstrate the powerful impact that lifestyle changes can have on your cardiovascular health. Let us break down each of these key lifestyle factors and talk about how you can make positive changes in each area to improve your artery health. First, let's talk about your diet. What you put into your body has a direct impact on the health of your arteries. That's why it's important to focus on eating a balanced diet that's rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, while avoiding trans fats, processed sugars, and excess salt. Foods like oats, beans, fatty fish, flax seeds, berries, and leafy greens are excellent choices, as they provide the nutrients your arteries will thank you for. On the other hand, foods like fried and processed meats, sugary drinks, fast food can contribute to the buildup of plaque in your arteries. So it's important to limit these as much as possible. Next, regular exercise is crucial for maintaining healthy arteries. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity, aerobic exercise most days of the week. Activities like walking, swimming, or cycling can help improve circulation and reduce the risk of clogged arteries. Additionally, strength training exercises targeting all major muscle groups should be performed at least twice a week. These exercises can help reduce metabolic risks and improve overall cardiovascular health. Now, let's talk about stress management. Chronic stress can raise cortisol levels, which can lead to inflammation and increased blood pressure. This is why it's essential to find healthy ways to manage stress, such as through meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or spending time in nature. Next up, smoking and alcohol consumption. If you smoke, it's important to quit as soon as possible. Smoking damages the artery walls and reduces the amount of oxygen in the blood, which can contribute to the buildup of plaque. While moderate alcohol consumption may not be harmful, it's important to limit your intake, as heavy drinking can lead to high blood pressure and other cardiovascular problems. Last but not least, maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for preventing clogged arteries. Losing just 5 to 10% of your body weight can make a significant difference in reducing the strain on your arteries. Now that we've covered the key lifestyle factors, let's discuss some supporting tactics that can help you achieve success. These tactics include working with a healthcare professional to determine if medications like statins for highest cholesterol or blood pressure meds are right for you, as well as exploring natural supplements, though it's important to note that some supplements may interact with medications. So it's always best to speak with your doctor first. Garlic, bergamot, and COQ10 are some supplements that have shown promise in improving heart health. Additionally, regular monitoring of your cholesterol levels and blood pressure can help you track your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your lifestyle changes. It's important to remember that everyone's journey to better health is unique, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Some individuals may need to make more significant lifestyle changes than others, while some may need additional medical intervention. However, by following the top tip of making comprehensive lifestyle changes and incorporating the supporting tactics, you'll be well on your way to unclogging your arteries and improving your overall health. While making these lifestyle changes, it's important to be aware of common myths that can hinder your progress. One myth is that quick fixes don't work. Unfortunately, there is no magic pill or quick fix to unclog arteries. It requires consistent effort and dedication to see results. Another myth is that surgery is the only solution. While surgery is an option in some cases, it's not the only solution. Many people have been able to prevent or stabilize blockages by making positive lifestyle changes. It's important to rely on evidence-based information and consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. Don't fall for false promises or quick-fix solutions. Stay informed and make conscious choices to improve your heart health. Remember, knowledge is power, and by educating yourself about clogged arteries and the best ways to prevent them, you can take control of your health and live a longer, happier life. If you're looking for more inspiration, consider checking out a study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association, which showed that patients were able to reverse plaque naturally through a combination of lifestyle changes and medical therapy. It's time to put what you've learned into action. Start today. Even small changes can make a big difference. Comment below and tell us what you're going to do to improve your heart health. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health tips. And here's a bonus tip. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Both can help reduce inflammation and support overall cardiovascular health. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.